Traders, I just posted a trade idea into Telegram, but what I want to do is explain why I'm looking to short this. Now, we could see a little bit more upside here, so you need to be very, very careful. What we do have here, however, is this range through here. I mean, it follows through, and you can see here, 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 and in here how this has been a level where a lot of business has been done. And at the high of this previous bearish expansion, we have stop losses resting all through here. Big liquidity, in other words. So when this trades into strong resistance as such, fairly good chance that buy-side liquidity resting up here will overwhelm the market, and we could see this then potentially roll over. I mean, it's a trend. So, I mean, looking at a trend, we get lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and on it goes. Okay, so here we are. Lower low, well, lower high, lower low, and lower high. So if that's the case, there's a good chance we see this give us an opportunity to trade short. Here we are, break of market structure. This low was compromised, so we have the break of market structure here. So everything is lining up for a potential continuation to the downside. There is risk involved. Can this turn around and trade north? Absolutely it can. So you want to make sure that you don't overdo your lot sizes. Keep your risk consistent. I mentioned this in a previous video. In other words, if that's a short, stop above the high. Might want to pull it up a little bit higher. And we're looking for a minimum 2R. There's our 2R, and it coincides with this liquidity under here in the form of sell stops. That could be the target and beyond, but that would be my first port of call. And the risk, it's really crucial that this range, this stop loss range, is consistent in terms of your position size. So if you're going to risk 0.2% of your account, do that with every trade, for example, and that will keep your position size consistent, and then you'll be able to manage your risk well. I hope you've gained some value from the video, and if so, a thumbs up would be amazing. This is an invite for you to jump on board our VIP Telegram Signals channel completely free for a month. Try it out for 30 days. Check out our preferred prop firm over here, mega funded, all the information's there. And use the free 30-day trial to pass your prop firm challenge. Just a suggestion. And lastly, if you're struggling as a trader and would like a passive income opportunity, check out our Forex account management services where we trade your account on your behalf. Scroll down the page, you can click this widget to track our master account, the account that all our other accounts are connected to. So with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next video.